how to make a Shopify Partners account. So you want to go to shopify.com/partners, and here we will just click on join now. It's going to look like this. What is the main way you plan to use Shopify? So I'm just going to do, for example, building new Shopify stores for clients, and we're going to click on next. Then we have to type out our country and region as well, and the business name, address, city here, and the email address as well. So I'm just going to type this out and I will come back with the next step. Okay, so after we have typed out our access or address, it looks like this. We are on the home page, and here we have access to the stores page where we can request access to a store, and we can create a development store as well. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.